Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan JUKE. In this video I'll show you how to connect car to Wi-Fi. To connect car to Wi-Fi, let's go to Menu, Settings and Connections. Wi-Fi and search for the available Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.